How to add background in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now we in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and create a new project. Here on the left top, simply tap on new project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we in this editing platform. This is the place where you can make different edits and cuts to your video. Now simply tap on the part where you want to keep or add your background. Here on the bottom you can find different tools that are available. So simply swipe right. Here you can find a tool named Background. Tap on Background and simply tap on Add Background. Now select the color or the photo that you want to add. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you